Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2015 Kawasaki Versys 650 ABS. This is Kawasaki's full-size sport adventure motorcycle. Has a 650cc 2-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 25,721 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and in good condition. Aftermarket taller windscreen. New Dunlop tire in the front, like new in the rear. ABS brakes. Bike runs very well. Good upright seating position. Great around town. Very versatile bike. Priced at only $54.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.